On January 20th at Silver Creek High School, Chris Miles and Miguel Hampton each gave powerful speeches for the juniors and seniors for Martin Luther King Jr. Day. The full video is on the SCAV channel.
I'm Chris Miles. I am a father of students here at Silver Creek High School, but I'm also the Community Diversity Council chairperson to be able to help support the community in regards to diversity, equity, and inclusion. Each of you who are sitting out there today, eventually you too will have a dream that will make a purpose for this life, make a purpose for your life and your child's life, your grandchildren's lives, and the lives of others. So it's important that you listen to our speaker here today, who is also advocate of our community, our state, and our country. This gentleman who was here last year, he's back by popular demand. He only had about 15 minutes last year, so he's going to have a few more minutes today. Please welcome community advocate, supporter, Mr. Miguel Hampton.
I'm Miguel Hampton. I am a serial entrepreneur. I have been called an activist. I have been called a freedom fighter. I have been called a lot of other things as well. I am married for a really long time. My highlight this year is I get to turn 50, which is super cool. And I got a 20-year-old daughter who grew up in Jeffersonville, graduated from Jeff High, and is currently at TSU. I was saying when the fellas call me, they'd be like, "Yo, Gail, what you doing?" And I'll be like, living in a dream, trying to stay out of the nightmare. And I want y'all to process that. Because some of us wake up and every day and we're like, oh, the struggle is real and we don't want to face it. I'm going to tell you to face it.
One last message. Youth is our future, right? You know, what we do as adults, basically are giving you a foundation. It's up to you to lead and build on that foundation. So again, use your voice, go to action, and know what you want your future to look like. You can build it. We appreciate you.
The Winterguard this season consists of 8 members. The juniors include Madeline Tanner, Colt Maiden, and Ray Whiteside. The 8th graders include Amelia Ayers, Lily Risk, Allison Mendola Pasquale, December Fetz, and Haley Riggle. The show concept focuses on telling the story of the Win Phone, a disconnected phone booth in nature that allows people to speak with loved ones who have passed on before. The concept originated in Japan after the 2011 tsunami, and wind phones are now found in many countries. The other nearest to Sellersburg is located at the Bernheim Forest in Claremont, Kentucky. This year, their show is titled Telephones of the Wind and features the song Supermarket Flowers, written by Ed Sheeran, then performed by Lauren Daigle, Valentino Alessandrini, and Riandi Kasuma.
The Winterguard came in 3rd place at the Henryville Tri-State Marching Arts Competition, out of 9 guards in their class on Saturday, February 8th. They had 3 guaranteed contests coming up at Floyd Central. One that they just completed this past Saturday the 22nd, another upcoming at Elizabethtown High School on March the 15th, and a third, the Tri-State Marching Arts Semi-Final at George Rudder Clark High School on March the 22nd. If they score in the top 50% of their class at semifinals, they will be permitted to go the following weekend to the Tri-State Marching Arts Circus Finals on the 29th of March at Thrust Arena, on the campus of Northern Kentucky University. Last year, in 2024, they went on to finals and earned a bronze medal, the regional A2 class, the highest placement in Silver Creek's Winterguard history.